I'm here to talk to you about the source of our drinking water, where we get it from, how it gets there.
We have the opportunity to have the Groundwater Institute come in and do this workshop with the students.
And we're actually going to build our own aquifer today.
Where they're actually building models of the aquifer that we draw our water from here in the Memphis area.
We have our sand aquifer. We have our confining clay layer.
The aquifer is processing of the Memphis water.
Act as protective layers.
It's sand, clay, and just rocks. And the sand and the rocks, they act as a purification filter for the water, and the clay helps keep the water clean from other outside contaminations.
So you're going to pour water a little bit first on your clay layer.
We had a cup and we filled it with sand, water, and clay and gravel, and that was to represent the different layers of the aquifer and how it filtered water.
You're going to have surface water now.
The goal for this lesson is to make sure that they're aware of our water here in Memphis, how clean it is, and then the fact that other parts of the country really have to do a lot of things to their water. There's a process that has to be gone through before the water is drinkable.
So we've got surface water and groundwater.
I enjoyed today's demonstration because you got a hands-on experience of what to do and how it actually works, being able to use all the materials that is actually in the system and the process.
We're going to contaminate it.
It's important to make sure we don't pollute it because we're going to be using this water, so we can't use polluted water.
Once it mixes with all the water.
It's a perfect activity for students in the middle school grades to have a hands-on, real-world application.
I think that this is something they're going to go home and remember, not just for tonight and this week, but I think they're going to remember it for a long time.